Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You boot straight into the Gigabyte UEFI by pressing Delete or F2. Do that now. Once in, set a supervisor or admin password so hidden secure boot controls become editable. Without this, you can't change platform keys. Make sure the boot mode is UEFI rather than Legacy or CSM because Secure Boot requires UEFI. While you're here, locate the Secure Boot menu under Peripherals or Windows OS Configuration so the next steps are available. Don't save and exit yet. Now you're in the Secure Boot settings, you'll refresh the authorization keys. If the board shows user mode and won't enable, clear the existing keys first, then use Install Default Keys or Enroll Factory Keys to populate PK, KEK, DB, and DBX. This replaces a corrupted or incomplete key store and moves the platform out of a stuck state. Once populated, select the standard Secure Boot policy so common Microsoft and vendor signatures are trusted. Make sure each action confirms success on screen. Enable Secure Boot, save, and reboot immediately to apply the new key set. After boot, verify inside BIOS the Secure Boot state reads on, and in Windows run msinfo32 to confirm Secure Boot equals on. That confirms platform keys loaded and functional. If the board still refuses or shows errors, re-enter BIOS and re-enroll the factory/default keys, or update the motherboard BIOS to the latest version and repeat. Troubleshooting tip. If Secure Boot remains stuck, clear CMOS, restore defaults, then reapply the supervisor password and re-enroll keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.